Begin by removing the 4 M6 nuts from under the seat with a 10mm quarter-inch drive socket driver. With the seat off the bike, attach the seat to the seat riser. Use the 4 M6 nuts that held it on the bike before. Secure them to snug with a 10mm box end wrench. Place the 5mm rubber washers between the frame and the seat riser. Use the appropriate length M6 bolts. Attach the seat riser to the bike. Snug the seat riser up with a 5mm hex wrench and a 10mm quarter-inch drive socket driver. If you have any further questions, contact Ariel Rider Tech Support. Thank you for choosing Ariel Rider.